Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will cover why default password settings are not enough and how you can enforce strong password requirements across your site using Ultimate Security. To get started, make sure you have installed and activated the Ultimate Security plugin on your WordPress dashboard. By default, WordPress allows users to create accounts with incredibly weak passwords. While it prompts a warning, it still lets administrators or users bypass it easily, which leaves your website highly vulnerable to brute force attacks and unauthorized access. Let's look at how this happens. If we navigate to Users and click Add New, we can fill out the details for a new subscriber. WordPress automatically generates a strong password, but watch what happens when we delete it and type something simple. It flags it as very weak, but by simply checking the Confirm Use of Weak Password box, WordPress allows us to add this user anyway. This is a massive security loophole. To prevent this, we need to enforce global password rules. Let's head over to the Ultimate Security dashboard on the left side menu. From here, click on Settings in the top navigation bar and select Login and Authentication, and then Login Hardening. Next, click on Password Requirements in the sub-menu. Here, we can toggle on Enable Password Policies. Ultimate Security gives you preset options like Basic, Strong, or Enterprise. Let's select Enterprise to maximize our safety. This automatically updates our requirements, enforcing a minimum length of 16 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once selected, click Save Changes. Now that our enterprise-level rules are active, let's go back to Users and try to create another account to see the plugin in action. As we open the Add New User form, you'll immediately notice a new dynamic checklist displayed right next to the password field. Now fill the details below for a new user. Next to the password field, you can check what rules are applied to make a strong password for the user. If we clear the strong password and try to put a weak one again, even if we click Confirm Use of Weak Password and Add New User, Ultimate Security completely denies the registration, displaying an error message at the top. Password does not meet security requirements. Only when a genuinely strong password meeting all criteria is entered will the plugin allow the new user account to be successfully created. This is we are meeting the strong password rules, and now we can create the new user. By enforcing these strict rules, you eliminate the risk of weak credentials across your entire team or user base. If you want to secure your site today, make sure to install Ultimate Security. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more WordPress security tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.